Whoa, what up? What's that? You already know the drill. Look, first things first, man. Y'all go ahead and hit that subscribe button, man. Turn your notifications on so you can know when I drop another video. Now, today we're going to take a look at the women's Air Jordan 4 Retro NRG in fire red, summit white, and black. Let's get into it. Okay, first off, before we get into it, man, I gotta give a shout out to my man Jesus Christ, man. He came through and blessed me with these, man. He blessed the young God with these, man. You know what I'm saying? So shout out to him, man. I see you, homie. Y'all go ahead and follow his channel, man. That's Jesus Christ, the real Jesus Christ. I hope I said it right, man. You know what I'm saying? But let's get into the kicks, man. On the inside of the lid, you got the envelope with a little card in it, but we ain't about to do all that. We're about to get to these kicks, man. Now, you see it come wrapped in the black paper. But let's skip that. Here it is, the Air Jordan 4 Retro NRG in fire red, summit white, and black. This is for the ladies. You know what I'm saying? Now, I'm going to be honest, man. If they would have just dropped this, you know, like for men and women, and just had this red on there, you know what I'm saying, without being able to come off, you know what I'm saying, man, these would have smashed. You hear me? These things would have been fire, man. You know what I'm saying? I still like them. You know what I'm saying? But when you look at them up close, man, you can see that paint on them, man. It looks kind of cheap, like. You know what I'm saying? I'm hoping that's making sense to y'all, but let's get into it, man. Under the bottom, you see you got the red, you got the gum, you got the white and the black. You know what I'm saying? There's the side. The whole upper is red. You know what I'm saying? Besides a few hits of black. You know what I mean? On the back, there's your Jumpman in black. Nice. Medial side, you already see what it is. From the front, there it is. You got your tab on the tongue. Black with the flight written in red. I mean, it is what it is, man. You know what I'm saying? On the inside, you got the red insole with the black Jumpman. Nice touch. You know what I'm saying? So they went all out with the theme on these, man, you know, and yeah, what it is, man. Now looking at the other shoe, everything is identical. There's no difference between the two. And as y'all know, the surface over time starts to wear off. You know what I'm saying? So I saw Unbreakable Kicks made a video where he intentionally tried to rub the paint off or whatever, you know what I'm saying? It ain't go right for him, you know what I'm saying? So I guess you just gotta let it happen, you know what I'm saying? But I'm not a fan of the paint coming off. You can see you got the black tab on the inside of the tongue upside down, typical Jordan 4 fashion. You know what I mean? And there's nothing on the inside of that flap on the back. I mean, it is what it is, man. Like I said, I think it's a dope shoe. I'm feeling it. I don't really have no complaints about it, man, other than the paint. You know what I'm saying? You know, like I said, when you get close, you can see it. You know what I'm saying? Now, as far as cosmetic problems, I seen one little thing, and as you can see right there, I see a little paint overlapping on the gum. Is it a big deal? Nah. For some, it may be. Not really a big deal to me, but when you're paying your money for these kicks, man, you want your things, man, perfect. You know what I'm saying? So, you can take that how you want, man. You know what I'm saying? So, I'm going to give y'all another look at it, man, but we're going to go ahead and wrap this up. You know what I'm saying? We're going to get on up out of here, man, and I think y'all stay tuned, man, 'cause we're going to do our own foot with these things, man, you know what I'm saying? And as y'all know, I wear big sizes. You know what I'm saying? This is just a 7.5. So, of course, it's not going to be me. We're going to get one of these beautiful ladies to come in and do it. But anyway, comparing this, man, to the Air Jordan 12, you can see the differences in the red. You can see it's not the same. So it's different material too. So, I mean, you don't really expect it to be the same. You know what I'm saying? So, like I said, man, that was my look at the Air Jordan 4 Retro NRG for women, Singles Day. I think it's a dope shoe. You know what I'm saying? I'm feeling it. Like I said, I wish he would have came out with the sizes for us and everything. They did drop bigger sizes, but it is what it is. Man, y'all follow us on Instagram at PeddlersAir504. Subscribe to this channel. Let's go ahead and get into the on foot, and I'ma holler back.